Yo, yo, what's going on? It's your boy Luric O'Shea, music creator, educator, and entrepreneur, and welcome back to another video in Motion 5. So in video 1, we went over how to create our background and our title and our cloud effect, as you see on the screen right now. In this video, we're going to go over how to create your very first line that will end up being the foundation for all the audio graphic that we're going to make. So step number 1, we want to come over here, minimize the background, and we want to do Shift Command N to make a new group. We're going to double click on that group and name that original line. All right, once we got that, we're going to come over onto right above our ruler, and we're going to click on line. We're going to hold the shift button. We're going to click and drag down to make a line. All right, there we go. We got our first line. Now what we want to do, click on a line, come over here to inspector, go to properties, and we want to reset the parameters on the position. So we want to click on this drop down triangle, hit reset parameter, so that centers it. Then the next step that I want to do, I want to go to shape, and I want to go to geometry, and you can see right now that my point 1 and my point 2 are the complete like reciprocals of each other. So if you imagine there's a horizontal line going straight across the middle of my background, this point is equally above that line and below it. And that's how I want it. If at any point we want to make that bigger, whatever number we make it, you just got to make sure that you make the negative the same number as well. All right, so we got that. So there we go. That's how you create your line. And in the next video, I'm going to show you how to replicate and duplicate that so things can start falling into place.